Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and today I am taking these 16 colors, and I've already put in all of them except for one. I'll put that in right now. They're kind of just a mix of stuff. That looks really close to that one, but I think I can figure it out. So my idea was to just kind of randomly grab a bunch of colors and do something like what we did in the last video, right? With the little boxes. I'm not sure how this will turn out because I don't know if that effect is so cool because the colors contrast so much because of the way that they cycle through the rainbow, or if just having colors doing suddenly something different will your subconscious like kind of pick up on it and say, oh, I get this, and make sense of it. And because I've never tried this particular type of pattern before, I thought this would be a fun experiment that we could try out and have a little fun with. So but I didn't want this to be a really long video. That's why I filled in most of the colors beforehand. So yeah, this should be pretty interesting, I think. A lot of the colors look a lot darker than the threads up there, and I think that's because I took the color picker tool. I'll show you this over here. So this is the color picker tool, and you can change the radius on it. So if you raise that number up, you'll get a lot more of the shadows, you'll get a lot more of the pixels that go into the thing. And I think when it picks up on the colors over here, grabbing up the shadows and stuff too just kind of makes all the colors a little bit darker. Just a thing in case you didn't know, maybe it'll help. All right, so let's go from the center here, and I guess we grab this purple, go across that away, and then there'll be this one, this one, this one, and this one. So right out the gate, I'm going to say it doesn't... I am not sure if this is really going to work. Well, when I zoom out, I guess I really do see the box. I'm not overly confident about this. Here, let's put in a couple guidelines here. One there, one here. So that way when we do another bigger box again. So my thought here was do a bigger box than a small one. I'm really not sure if this is going to be cool or not. And then go back to the bigger box. Oh wait, like why does that not seem right? It's because it's in the, they're in, wait, yeah, they're in the wrong row. There, and there, there, and there, there, and there. And then the next one is a smaller box like this. Do we have room for one more? Yeah, I guess we do. So that's that one. That's that one. And then there's just like one at the very top that doesn't get anything, and I'm fine with leaving that way. I really don't know how well this will work. I have to admit though, like in some of the other ones, I kind of thought maybe they weren't going to work so good, and then in the actual bracelet it turned out being pretty awesome. So despite being a bit skeptical here, there is some kind of hope that this does turn into something kind of neat. And if not, it was a good experiment and we learned something, right? Which I'm okay with that. And there. Okay, so now a smaller one. I wonder if I should make the smaller ones like a solid. You know, that would be a possibility. I could have done. I think we'll just leave it like this. This is ultimately the experiment that I wanted to try. So. And there we go. There's our pattern. I think, kind of judging by it, I think it does kind of work. We'll have to test it and see. Hey, before I go, let me just thank my YouTube members who make this stuff possible. Needed a lot of string to be able to keep this thing going, and they have helped with that, as well as various other tools that keeps this thing running. So thank you guys so much. I just, I can't express enough how much I wouldn't be able to do it without their support. So thank you guys. And I'll be back tomorrow with the bracelet. We'll see how it goes. All right. So thank you. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.